Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Solana. Sol is currently at the $102 level. We are currently ranked at number 5 and with a market cap of about $44 billion. We saw a 24-hour volume of about $4.12 billion, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Solana. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So in the last 24 hours, we are up about 13.3% right here for Solana. And as you can see in our last update right here for Solana, we have been saying that right here, beware, don't be fooled, right? We were saying beware, don't be fooled. You could see prices push to the downside, but we were still bullish. This was 100. As you can see, 2 days ago, we also said when we saw that massive push to the downside, I just want to show you why we have been very correct. We said it's a trap, right? Don't fall for it, right? This was 5 days ago, and we have been very spot on the channel. We said it's a trap. Do not sell your Solana. We could still see some massive push to the upside, and as you can see, since then we have seen that sort of massive recovery right here for Solana, right? As you can see, Solana has recovered, and we have seen this push of about 16% to the upside, right? So what is next? This is something we need to also be careful of, as also just looking at that. As you can see, we could see some sort of triangle forming right here on the chart right here for Ethereum, right? As you can see right here, this is just basically some sort of uh, descending triangle, and usually descending triangles usually, right, break to the downside, right? So if we see this break of this descending triangle to the downside right here for Solana, that could mean a very bearish scenario. As you can see right here, and another thing we should be very careful of is that we are seeing our EMAs begin to twist. The moment we begin to see our EMA begin to twist right together, it basically means that we are losing steam, and then we could see some sort of massive dump to the downside, right? That doesn't mean we are not in a bull run. It basically means that we should be careful. Some sort of massive correction is coming soon. As you can see, these are sort of big. Let's get these lines more aligned, right? When we see this kind of these kinds of sort of descending triangles usually break to the downside, and if we see this descending triangle break to the downside, that could be very bearish right there for Solana, and we could see Solana drop 41%. So be very careful right here. If we see a break above this $103 level, it basically means Solana is bullish, and we could see some sort of massive push to the upside, right? But if we see a break to this downside right here, if we see a break to the downside, that could mean Solana is bearish, and so we could see that sort of massive push to the downside. So be very careful. We need to see Solana push above these $103 level, right? And then if we could break above, that could mean we are very bullish, right? But if we do not break above this level and we see a retracement to the downside, I'm sorry guys, that could be the beginning of a massive push right there to gobbling town, right? So be very careful. Watch the 103 level. If we go above, then we should be expecting that massive push to the upside. But if we do not break above this descending triangle and see a push back down to the downside, that could be a beginning of a gobbling town scenario. And guys, you would know, I will tell you the truth, as I have been bullish, but currently this has made a lower high, and this is a huge signal flashing, which means we could see a gobbling town scenario coming soon. So be very careful. Watch the $103 level, and that's the update right here for Solana, right? So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.